would have to iridium some books. Iridium. Chemistry and some kind of isotopes. The bridge! The bridge! The bridge! Time for a soda. I don't know what's been going on this week, but my back is killing me. And they might need to inject some iridium into my spine. Maybe that would turn me into a RoboCop. I'm willing to take a shot. My back has turned into splinters. Because if my back turned into a bunch of sentient ninja rats, I think I'd know. My name is such and such, and by the way, my spine is a bunch of ninja rats. That's probably how the Ninja Turtles came to be anyway, was some iridium. They probably swallowed some of it or rolled around in it. You know, a bunch of turtles and rats just taking a bath, and all of a sudden some iridium flows by and turns them into brain-having rodents. Somehow radiation's supposed to make everything bigger and weirder. It's not part of a well-balanced meal. It's part of an unbalanced meal. To fly up to a planet no one's ever heard of and scratch a latch into the ground and find some glowing mineral deposit. But it must be scratch-a-latched out of the ground. It can't be dug out. It can't be kicked out. It must be scratch-a-latched out with some kind of scratch-a-latcher machine. Dear Iridium, how I miss you, but you know how much we must have the Iridium in order to be able to fly around in space. And you can't take it back. It's irredeemable. Take a picture of yourself and chomp it down. That's Iridium. I don't make it up, that's science. Trust me, I'm a polyglot. Polly wanted a cracker, now Polly got a cracker in her throat. Polyglot choked to death. The number one isotope of the year. The Iridium Award sounds like an award you'd give to a scientist who discovered something extremely boring. You're wondering why we brought this man before you, Your Honor? It's because he has violated the Iridium Clause that is set forth in Statute 605.3 paragraph C, the third letter of the second row of the column of the sentence below the top of the page. And I submit evidence. Very well then. What sort of crime has he done? Prove it. I'm the judge, and I'll make sense of it all at the end. But for now, I would like you to set forth what he's done. I didn't violate the Iridium. As you see, Your Honor, he has violated the Iridium Clause right here before you in this court. Yeah, I'm not a lawyer though, so I guess you've got to be a lawyer to know that. So I'm going to have to trust a lawyer here, and you will be standing accused and also sitting accused, and I'll send you to prison for life, I shall. This man deserves representation from the law. I am Captain Jack Flanagan. Guilty. Very well then. I sentence you to a lifetime without Vegemite. Now get out of here. I've got a lot of cases to go through. Yours is the least important of the day. So is the next one.